Are you excited to take a slice out of your weekend? Well, pick something real good because we got all kinds of fun going on. Let's go. Hey, Localtarians, this is Amanda, and we are back with a juicy Local Love Weekend report for you for February 25th, 26th, and 28th. That's your Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So we're excited to peel into this weekend and see what kind of goodies we got. Let's go. Friday. All right. 10 a.m. on Friday, sew in Malin at the Sewing Studio Fabric Superstore. Come on out and get your sewing on. 11 a.m. Ukrainian Festival at Apopka Amphitheater. 2 p.m. Drive My Car at Indian Theater. Grab your family, come on out for a great movie this afternoon. There's some other wonderful movies, so make sure you go to indian.org to see what's next. 4 p.m. Coliseum of Comics presents Coliseum Roadshow 2022. Free 3-day event at Rosen Plaza. Come on out and enjoy all the great comics you could imagine. 5 p.m. Free engraved glass with a Guinness draft at Harp and Celt Irish Pub and Restaurant. Guys, this is amazing. I've done this at a different restaurant, and let me just tell you, it's an amazingly beautiful official Guinness glass, and they will engrave pretty much anything on it. Mine was pretty obscene, so make sure you have some fun with it and make your own glass. 6 p.m. Oscar Shorts 2022 live action at Indian Theater. 6:30 p.m. on Friday, Brew, View, and Chew The Dark Knight at Ivanhoe Park Brewing Company. 7 p.m. Friday Night Flicks at Coterie, Moulin Rouge at Coterie Coffee Company. Come on out, grab your brew, and enjoy an amazing time with this wonderful movie. 8 p.m. See Rock City at Mad Cow Theater. I might actually have to go and see this one. I'm from Chattanooga, Tennessee originally, and guess where Rock City is? Right there on Lookout Mountain, right in the Chattanooga area. So if you've never been, or if you have been, either way, this could be a fun theater production. And last but not least for your Friday, 10:30 p.m., official Marcus King Band after party with the Shady Recruits at Will's Pub. Guys, make sure you go and check out our Eat Right Food and Fitness journals. They are brand new and new designs are coming. So check them out. The link is on the screen and in the description. Let's get into Saturday. 7:30 a.m. 2022 Fiddler's Green 5K at Mead Botanical Garden. Put on your green and get to running. 9 a.m. Mammoth March Central Florida at Fort Christmas Historical Park. 9:30 a.m. on Saturday, Mosaic Mirror Class at Luna Mosaic Arts Orlando. Come on out and enjoy learning to make these beautiful mosaics. 11 a.m. Real Short Teen Film Festival Showcase at Indian Theater. Come on out and support these teen filmmakers and enjoy a great day at the movies. 12 p.m. Paramore Mural Project Reveal Tour at 732 Church Street West, and that is in downtown Orlando. Come on out and enjoy checking out this beautiful new mural. 2 p.m. Oviedo Mardi Gras at Oviedo Amphitheater and Cultural Center. It's free to $10 to get in. Come on out and get some of that good food. Speaking of good food, 5 p.m. Maskenball Mardi Gras 2022 German style at German American Society of Central Florida. $10 and up to get into all the great eats you can imagine. They always have some of the best food, so make sure you don't sleep on this event. Come on out. 7 p.m. Cinema Stereo, Rocks Revolt and the Velvets, Fortune Child, and Pola at a Soundgarden by Hanow Contemporary Center. Come on out and support some of your local musicians and the venues that give them a place to sing. 8 p.m. Cheat Code at the Geeky Z. And last but not least for your Saturday night, 10 p.m. Reggaeton Party at Aura Lounge, Orlando. All right, guys, make sure if you need even more great weekend events or every day, we have a new event post every single day on our Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page. So make sure you check it out and that you come out and look at what events are coming out. We do release the day before's events at about 2 p.m. on the previous day so that you can get a jump start on what you want to do. But make sure you check it out. We have new things there from art, events, comedy, you name it, happy hours. We got so much going on that list, so make sure you don't sleep on it. Check it out for yourself. All right, guys, and make sure if you're looking for some local music, you go and follow Amanda Irene Hope on Spotify so you can check out nearly 24 hours worth of local sounds. All right, guys, you know what that means? It is time to move on to our next day of the week, the final day of the weekend, and that is gonna be Sunday. 9 a.m. on Sunday, Let's Walk with Sarah at Lake Lotus. All right, guys, come on out and enjoy a wonderfully beautiful walk and have a little fun getting along with some new people and getting a little motivation in your day. 10 a.m. Chalk Street Art at Crane's Roost Park. Come on out, guys, and check out these amazing artists. You will be shocked to see some of the outstanding art that they put out. So make sure you don't miss out. See you at Crane's Roost. 11 a.m. Pine Castle Pioneer Days at Cypress Grove Park. Come on out and learn how we used to live back in the day. Check it out for yourself. Should be a lot of fun, and there will be vendors and other great events going on. 12:30 p.m. Goats and Brews at Orlando Brewing. Oh my goodness, I may have to go to this one. I love some goats, let me tell you. So make sure you check it out. Orlando Brewing always has something really amazing going on, so absolutely check out their website to keep up with who is there and what's going down. 1 p.m. on Sunday, South Orlando Game Day Brawl at Cool Stuff Games in South Orlando. 4 p.m. Beats, Vibes, and Vinyl at Grape and the Grain. All right, guys, get your vinyl ready and get out there and enjoy a little old school. 7 p.m. This Wildlife Broadside, the home team, playing live at Hanow Contemporary Center. 7:30 p.m. on Sunday, open house, Kevin Harris, Joyfield Noise, Temecula Arts Foundation online. $20, you can go online, and we'll put that link in the description so that you can enjoy this from the comfort of your own home or on the go. All right, guys, 9:30 p.m. Oscar Shorts 2022 animated at Enzian Theater. Come on out and see who won that Oscar. And last but not least, for your Sunday night, the end of your weekend, 10 p.m. Baby Gibson's Car and Truck Show at Ace Cafe Orlando. If you're a car guy, come on out and enjoy it. You will not regret coming out to this amazing event. All right, guys. Well, that is going to wrap up our local love list for the weekend. We hope you're enjoying our local love report. If you want to see something different, you want to see something more, drop us a comment down below. And again, guys, don't forget to check out our brand new food and fitness journals. We are coming out with brand new designs. If you want a cover that's a little bit different, let us know what you're interested in and we will check it out. Also, guys, make sure you check out our new coloring book on Amazon. It is called Beautiful Coffee in Full Color, and it is a lot of fun and a really large 8 by 11 or 8.5 by 11 book. So make sure you don't miss out on that experience. Get you a coffee and take a real coffee break. You're going to love it. All right, guys. Well, thank you as always for tuning in. We certainly appreciate it. Make sure you drop us a comment. Let us know what you think or what you'd like to see. Or if you have any questions or events of your own, we'd love to hear from you. All right, guys. Other than that, peace. We will catch you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.